Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Galaxy S23. As you can see right now, there's no service, and when we go to our settings and go to connections, and when we go to our SIM manager, it's loading right now, but you can see that there are no SIM cards. So we're gonna go ahead and insert our SIM card now. For that, you want to find your SIM card slot first, and on the Samsung Galaxy, it is down here. You can see I still have my foil around the outside of the phone, so you can use your SIM card ejector that comes with the phone, or you can also use a simple paper clip. Then we're gonna go ahead and insert that and press carefully. Now that popped up. Check SIM card tray. When inserting a SIM card, make sure the metal part is facing up when you're looking at the screen. Alright, so we're gonna take out the SIM card tray, and we have the SIM one here, and then we can also insert a second SIM card. So we're gonna take the SIM card now and put it in the tray, and really there's just one way that you can put this SIM card in, as there's like this little edge and it just wouldn't fit any other way. Then put the whole thing back in the phone, make sure it's closed all the way. And now the first thing that we need to do is to unlock our SIM card, and now we're back in the phone. Wi-Fi calling is on, your location info will be sent to Google and your service provider if Wi-Fi calling is available. This allows... whoa. Alright. Okay, this is something I wanted to show you anyways. So if you go back into your settings and go to SIM manager, you can see your SIM card now, you can see your provider, your phone number, and you will get a lot of notifications. And then you have here mobile data, SIM 1, so you can like see that you inserted your SIM card, and you can also see that you have a connection right here, and that you have signals, and that you can like now make phone calls, send SMS, or whatever other things you can do with like a SIM card. So when we go back, then the other thing, Wi-Fi calling, also disappeared. I don't know what it was, but apparently it's gone. So this is how you insert a SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy S23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.